up, dude? Oh, so funny.
What'd you do, kid?
It's kind of like a massage. What's up, guys? It's 5 o'clock in the morning. We're here at Bradley International Airport in Connecticut, and we're about to fly out to where? California. Another last-minute trip to California. This time we're not going with Hyundai, we're gonna be going with Hyundai. And you guys know, Hyundai always has it back. They always send us out to pretty cool trips, which is awesome.
Hyundai's got the hookup every time.
Hooked us up, so they treat us so well, and they always fly us out to such cool experiences. And this time we're gonna be going to where?
We are going to Laguna, Seca, which is like, it used to be Mazda Speedway or whatever. Now it's WeatherTech or something. You guys all know it. Gran Turismo famous track.
I meant to mention it on the channel, but it was honestly so last second, and I'm not upset about it.
I'm just really excited to get a nice, solid weekend off with some California weather at a beautiful, famous, legendary racetrack that I've never been to, and I just can't wait to get there.
We'll shut up now because we can barely speak. We'll see you in California. One flight down, one to go. This is my first time in Chicago.
I've been to this airport. I mean, I'm not like in Chicago.
So now I can tell you, yeah, you ever been to Chicago? I'm like, yeah, dude, it was sick.
Damn, you can't say that.
But yeah, let's hop on another, and Brian's gonna sleep, and I'm gonna be miserable for 4 hours. Well, B, we made it. We just took 2 plane rides on Friday the 13th, and everything went great.
I feel good about that. I'm really excited. I didn't even realize it was Friday the 13th. Why don't you tell me that?
It's a good thing not to know. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, but yeah. So Hyundai actually left us a car, so we're gonna go find that, pick it up, and then do stuff, and we'll figure it out.
We're gonna go pick up a freaking Veloster N and whip it around the streets of California. Let's do this.
Can we take this thing home?
It's gonna be a long drive, dude. I gotta go back to work on Tuesday.
We'll start driving now. Game plan while we got you right here. If I could, is the car dead?
I hope not.
Hold it.
We don't know how new cars work.
Yeah, whatever.
Okay?
So game plan. So this weekend we're here literally just for the weekend. Hyundai flew us out here for a fun event at Laguna Seca Raceway or WeatherTech Raceway. I don't know what they consider it now. As I educate myself, like I should have before this whole video, we'll update you. But I really don't know too much. We just know it's gonna be a good time. We're gonna see some cool stuff, and just, I don't know, it's a nice little cool change of scenery. So why not take it? So
yeah, get ourselves out of the Northeast for a little bit. Enjoy the California weather. Whip around this sweet ride for the weekend,
and hopefully we'll keep it entertaining for you guys, because I don't know, we're not travel vloggers, but we'll try our hand at it.
Oh yeah, it's been a while since I've been in one of these. Let me hear this thing bark. I know these things sound good.
Alright, so we just picked up our literally brand new Veloster N. And so we're just leaving San Jose now, and we're shooting all the way down to Monterey. It's like a 2-hour drive, but we're in an awesome car, and these roads are like, even though there's like a lot of congestion, these roads are like really tight and windy, so it's gonna be a fun 2 hours.
I think we picked a good route.
What do you think?
Saw the Pacific. It's pretty sweet. Looks like a postcard. Let's get the fuck out of here.
All right, so we just got to the hotel. We picked up all our media credentials for tomorrow, and we're staying at some like crazy fancy place. She said they gave me a really nice room, so I'm excited to see what a really nice room is. All right, let's check it out. All right. I'd say it looks like a hotel room.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
she hyped it up.
She made it sound like there was like a jacuzzi in here, but I like the balcony.
Maybe it's just maybe they upcharge because they're so close to the pool.
This is the perv special right here.
The perv special.
God, we're so dude. We need to take a nap. Oh my God. What's up, doggy?
Good morning.
We planned on like going out and like doing car things last night, and we were like, oh, we'll take like a 20-minute nap and we'll wake up. Yeah, we just fell asleep. It was, yeah, we were pretty tired. But today is a big day, and yeah, let's get to the track.
See you there. Oh my God.
That comes out of nowhere. Look how sick this place is.
This is so cool.
This is sick. So I apologize for the audio today already because it's gonna be loud all day. So Brian's got to speak up.
Okay, I will try.
But we're here. It's early. We have no idea what to do. So let's just go have fun, poke around, and hopefully not get in trouble.
Let's go explore.
We got some transportation.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Golf cart for the boys.
They tell us we have to get down to the corkscrew. It's basically like a downhill turn that drops almost 9 stories. Crazy.
9 stories? That's unbelievable.
This is the slowest goddamn golf cart I've ever been in my life. Given this is the first time I ever drove one, still. Oh, let's check. Ooh, what's up with the hill? It's fucking beautiful. It's beautiful. All right, so this is the corkscrew we were talking about.
Holy cow, that is steep.
Of course, as soon as we get here, the race stops, but they'll start back up in a minute. But we were watching on the TV screen, and right here, as you can imagine, the cars unload like crazy and basically just like float understeer down this. Now we wait.
You have some balls to hit this corner with speed.
Yeah. These Hyundai drivers are animals.
Dude, they're aggressive. I love it.
In our exploration, we found the Hyundai booth. I think you're gonna have free t-shirts. Funny story, if you guys remember, Brian and I were one of the first journalists ever to drive the Veloster N on American roads. So it's pretty cool.
You really think you're gonna beat that?
Got it, no problem.
Was that a 201, 205?
I quit on the second lap. I was all.
He was so confident he was gonna blow that record out of the water.
Come on. So here's our TCR cars.
I can see you in it.
I need one of these fancy Sparko jackets like this. This is high end. I got AC in my car, so I wouldn't even mind it.
What are you looking at, B?
Look at how much they stitch welded from underneath. This is the rear frame rail under here.
I mean, they stitch weld
This is all from the bottom. This is all penetration. Even this here, this is another crossover there.
The whole thing with these cars is they're actually production cars, right? You could buy them, can't you?
You can buy this car, yeah. You can buy it just like this. I mean, without the livery, I think, but and it's only like 120, 30 grand,
I
something
think it's like
that.
160, 80. I think it's like 180, yeah.
Either way.
But that's like the whole rule of the TCR series, right? They have
This
to be a
is
production car.
I think the most affordable car in the TCR series and also the fastest.
It's a Corvette party.
Iconic pieces of racetracks anywhere in the world.
How many pairs of New Balance are in this line?
Left-hand coast.
lie, there's a lot of race series where the cars are just kind of corny looking. They're kind of ugly, but I don't know. This series, all these cars are so hot.
But like I said, I know we have a race car that can win this race, and I think
So sad. These guys are like, just another day in the race.
Like, what really hurts is not like the money's one thing, whatever, but the time and effort that went into that car, the development, everything, the amount of people who like literally had 12, 15-hour days on that thing, and it just, boom, done. That's racing, that's part of it, so whatever. No one seemed mad there, so they probably already have another one ready to race. So I'm here with Mason. He's one of the Hyundai drivers, and he's gonna take me for a lap on the course in completely stock Veloster N, which you're pretty familiar with.
Yeah, super familiar with. I daily drive one. It's so much fun. I actually just went to the ring and I drove the I-30 N too. And so I'm just like, I'm ready to take this thing back on the track. Oh yeah.
So your best time in the TCR car was what, 133, like 0.3 today or something like that?
Exactly.
Yeah. So we'll see how he does in this. I'm really excited, and like I'm excited to be scared. And I know you're gonna scare me, so.
Maybe, I'm not sure. You're pretty good.
I don't know, dude, that corkscrew is serious. I'm gonna pucker up.
Should be awesome.
Hell yeah. Any custom settings or just straight N mode?
Straight N mode. Life in N mode.
Life in N mode.
Yeah.
I love it. Give him a rev.
Give it a rev.
Ooh! Come on, no one's excited. It's hard to follow up this. You know what I mean? What do you think we'll get in the straight, mile per hour wise?
I'm guessing 105.
105?
105.
Like, it's just all Lambos and like a Lexus, and it's us and a Hyundai.
Dude, we're gonna smoke. This is the Veloster N.
They don't got an N mode.
No.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, we're catching the Mazda.
Oh my god, dude.
Oh, dude, this thing's got awesome brakes too. We don't want to go run this guy over, but
Push him off.
The stock end brakes are so
Wow.
good. And the handling.
I'm impressed. This is like stock tires too.
Yeah, dude, this thing is incredible. It's so much fun. Three, you want to enter over here, kind of apex down early, kind of get that. Feel the rotation of the chassis on the stock tires.
Dude, I can't believe how planted it is right now.
Yeah. This thing in front of us has like tires and this cool setup on it.
Oh my god, dude.
Isn't it planted?
It's so
good.
planted.
So much fun.
Oh Jesus.
Hit third, hit this apex right here.
How are you still gripped up right now?
Dude, this car is so good. Like the chassis on the Veloster N is so much fun.
Oh no, here comes the.
It's incredible.
Oh my god!
Isn't that crazy? We're ripping.
We're hauling
We're gonna have
ass.
to back off, guys.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we can't. No bum drafting here. But here's this part of the course. It's incredible. You can go down here, get into the apex.
Can't see shit. Oh my!
Look at the grip this thing has, though. Incredible. This is my favorite corner. Right after the corkscrew.
Oh my!
Insane.
I can't even know
So
what to
much
do with
fun.
myself. Dude,
So
you
much
make
fun.
this look so easy.
I love this place, and the Veloster in here it handles so well. I mean, it is so much fun.
Oh my god! Like that was, especially the corkscrew.
Oh,
you can't see any of it.
No, it's awesome.
I feel like we weren't even on the ground for a second.
No.
That's amazing.
How well does this thing handle though? That's what I was telling you. I was like, we got stuff for all these people because
Wow.
we're coming for them.
They're not ready.
They're not ready.
They're not ready at all. The chassis is awesome, but dude, you're awesome. That was
Thanks,
so
dude.
sick. That was
thanks.
so badass. Dude,
Good
thank you
seeing
so much.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, keep going at it.
Thanks, man.
All right, it's my turn now in the hot seat here with Mason driving. We're gonna be stuck behind this fully loaded Mazda, so. Oh, at least it's got some OZs. That's kind of cool.
That's what's OZ. This thing's so fun. Brakes on it.
Oh man!
Lap after lap. This
We're
thing
chasing
goes
him now.
Super consistent.
This is awesome.
This thing grips, huh?
Dude, this thing is awesome. Every time I get in one of these cars, I'm just like more and more impressed. Normal street cars should not handle this well. Like,
No, it's.
people are gonna get in trouble driving this thing.
I know.
How do you like it? You drive it every single day.
I love it. It's amazing. It's like, and then you take it to a track like this, and you're like, what? It could do this on the track. And you're like, you put a comfort mode. It's nice and easy, but you're coming for the corkscrew. So
Oh, this is the part.
this is the part right here. This part is freaking crazy. It's awesome. This car too.
Oh my god! Wow. Everyone said it was crazy, and I guess I didn't believe them enough. Oh my gosh. Excellent job, man.
Oh, so much fun.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. That was awesome.
So there's still like 30 minutes left to the race. I have no doubt in my mind Hyundai will at least place both cars on the top of the race. So unfortunately, Brian is not feeling good at all. I think he has a stomach bug. So get him back to the hotel, get him to sleep, and hopefully he'll be good for tomorrow. And we'll be back filming more stuff. So the footage is kind of all over the place today, and I hope you guys still enjoyed it. Honestly, I'm just out here enjoying the experience and trying to get some footage along the way. So if you guys know what to do, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.